Amazing birds from around the world.
दुनिया के अनोखे पक्षी।
Peacock.
मोर।
Sparrow.
गौरैया।
Parrot.
तोता।
Pigeon.
कबूतर।
Owl.
उल्लू।
Weaver bird.
बया पक्षी।
Eagle.
गरुड़।
Partridge.
तीतर।
Duck.
बत्तख।
Flamingo.
सुरखाब।
Pelican.
पेलिकन।
Bat.
चमगादड़।
Myna.
मैना।
Swan.
हंस।
Vulture.
गिद्ध।
Ostrich.
शुतुरमुर्ग।
Crow.
कौआ।
Tailor bird.
बुनकर पक्षी।
Cock.
मुर्गा।
Kite.
चील।
Crane.
सारस।
Woodpecker.
कठफोरवा।
Kingfisher.
रामचिरैया।
Falcon.
बाज।
How many birds have you seen around you in the video? Can you guess the difference between an eagle, a kite, and a falcon?
वीडियो में आपने अपने आसपास कितने पक्षी देखे हैं? क्या आप ईगल, चील और फाल्कन में फर्क बता सकते हैं?
Parrots like the African gray are super smart and can mimic human speech. Some can even use words in the right context. Parrots have the brain power of a 4 to 5-year-old child. Pigeons are one of the few animals that can pass the mirror test, meaning they can recognize their own reflection. That's a sign of self-awareness, just like dolphins and elephants. An eagle flying high in the sky can spot a rabbit from over 3 kilometers away. Their eyesight is so sharp that it's like watching the world through a zoom lens.